format, and we use a single image or video. So for this demonstration, I'll choose a single image that compares to food, right? So we'll be going with jollof rice versus fried rice, right? Which one are you choosing? Something like that. So this kind of post work because it's relatable, it's fun, people naturally relate to it, right? They will like, they will comment, and even argue playfully. That activity helps the algorithm to learn that your page is engaging and reduces your cost per like, which is what Facebook charge you per any person that likes or follows your page. So here we choose our page, which is crowded trading. If you have other pages, you can just switch it up here. And then this is where we select our creatives. We click, it can either be a single image or a single video, right? So you have to have the image in your phone. So if I click on image art, this is my account. I have images here. If you've had images uploaded to your page before, they would appear here. But I'm just going to upload from my laptop. So if I click on upload, I just choose a particular image. This is the image I want to use. Okay, so this is the image we're going to be using. I've uploaded. Once I click on, so if you want to upload, just click on upload. You select from the gallery, and then it uploads. You just click on it and click on next. So this is where you add your primary text, right? Something short and conversational. Like for instance, let's settle this once and for all. Team jollof rice or team fried rice. Drop your choice below. Hit the like button if you love good food, right? Something like that. That kind of thing sparks off conversation. It's conversational. People will start dropping comments, and once the algorithm picks it that it's good, it just drives it for you, right? Then you add a clear call to action button, right? In this case, like page, but that would be added automatically. So this is our primary text. Click on done. So if you look here, this is the preview. So do not mind this you're seeing here. I just need to do some verification. This is a new account I created for the purpose of this particular training. So just choose your video, choose your image rather, choose a very good text, and then you can see the page like here. This is the name of our page. The preview is supposed to load exactly how the ad is going to look like. So thinking it's a bit slow. So let's preview this. Let's see. So the image is supposed to show here. Let's see. Okay, beautiful. This is exactly how it looks like, right? So that's exactly how it's gonna look like. And then once you're done, you just click publish, right? And once you publish, this is the important part, right? Let me explain why this kind of ad works. Like I said, when you use something fun, relatable, content like this, you're not targeting people who are deeply interested in your niche, right? You're targeting a broader audience, people who love food, people who enjoy scrolling, and people who will easily interact with something very, very entertaining. But the goal here is to drive engagement and cheap likes. These people may not all be your perfect customers yet, but they will help grow your page, build credibility, and tell Facebook who engage with your content. Later, you can retarget or convert them using more specific content, maybe a post or ads that says, looking for the best homemade meals in Abuja, we deliver fast and fresh, right? So, for a real estate brand, sometimes we use content. You can use content like post a picture of a Ferrari and a very beautiful mansion. and in those spy conversations saying things like this house or a Ferrari, right? That way you get people interested, and then later on you can then try to convert them into your niche. So in summary, you use broad, fun content to attract followers cheaply, then you later use targeted content to convert them. So let me give you another example, right? If you're into fashion, instead of creating serious ads that says shop addresses today, you can start with something like, which color are you rocking this weekend, red or black? People will comment and like naturally. Then you can retarget those people later with your actual fashion collection. You see, the beauty of ads is that you can always move people through these stages from awareness to engagement to conversion without wasting so much money, right? So if you set up your objective properly and you understand what each one is meant to do, you start seeing better results at lower cost. All right, so MAD was not published because I have to authenticate this new account I created. I'm going to do that right up to now. But if you followed every step I just showed you, your ad should show processing right here. It should be in review. It's going to stay in review for a couple of minutes or hours, and then it's going to be active and start delivering. In the next video, this ad should already be active. We are going to look at the results together and see how to optimize it to be better, right? So let's do a little recap before we enter this class. I talked about choosing your objective based on your goal. If you're new, start with engagement or page likes. Use fun and relatable content that gets attention. Don't worry if the people liking your page aren't buyers yet. They will help your page grow, right? So once you have an audience, use traffic, messages, or conversions to sell, and always test, right? Monitor and adjust as you go. So that's it for this video. In the next one, we'll go deeper into how to analyze results. I'll show you what metrics to check in the ads manager, how to know if your campaign is performing well, how to improve it, and we'll also be exploring the different campaign objective as we go forward. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget that your ad success doesn't come from guessing. It comes from understanding your objective and using them strategically. I'll see you at the next one.